Have you ever wondered or have you ever been asked what AR-15 means? It's a very popular term in the news media, but it's often misused. So let's go over what the exact definition of AR-15 is. Does AR-15 stand for assault rifle? Does AR-15 mean automatic rifle? Nope, actually AR-15 stands for ArmaLite Rifle 15. It's a civilian semi-automatic rifle platform designed by the ArmaLite company in the 1950s. So to avoid confusion with anybody involved in this discussion around the AR-15 style rifles, let's use the term modern sporting rifle, or MSR, to avoid any kind of confusion. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, share it with a friend, and until next time, keep calm and return fire.